In this video, I'm going to show you how to start gathering hundreds of leads right away using the ICP to HubSpot CRM AI agent inside of MindStudio. Let's go ahead and get started. The first couple of things you'll need to get set up is you will need to create a MindStudio account, and you'll also need to create a HubSpot account where you can find your HubSpot CRM. This is where we're going to be adding all of the leads that run through the AI agent on MindStudio. Inside of MindStudio, you'll also want to create a connection between MindStudio and HubSpot so that the AI agent can properly send the leads to your HubSpot CRM. You can find this under Workspace and then click into the integrations page. From here, you'll be able to add all sorts of different integrations. Let's go ahead and click on the Connect HubSpot button. From here, if you're already signed into HubSpot, all you need to do is simply select the CRM that you'd like to connect to. If you have multiple CRMs, they will all appear under here. Make sure you select the one that you're wanting to add leads to. When you're ready, click Choose Account, and the connection will start automatically. Once it's all successfully connected, you can go ahead and close out of this window. Now in our integrations page, you should be able to see your HubSpot integration under Active Connections. This means that you have successfully signed in and you can begin using the agent. Inside of MindStudio, you can find the agent under the Agents tab on the left-hand side. This is access to hundreds of different agents on MindStudio, but if we scroll down the page, we can find the HubSpot CRM agent here. Go ahead and click on Run Agent. And from here, we'll get some information about how this AI agent works. You really follow 3 simple steps. You enter information about your ICP. The agent will search for new contacts that match your ICP criteria, and then new contacts will automatically be added to your HubSpot CRM. Let's go ahead and click on Next, and we'll begin adding our ICP information. One thing to keep in mind is that adding more information about your ICP reduces the amount of results. So you can go extremely broad or extremely focused depending on the types of the leads that you're looking to gather. In this case, I'm going to look for a sales director, and let's say we want them based in California, and we can enter the company size. So I'm going to go ahead and type in something like mid-market, or you can also specify a size using number of employees. For organization domains, we're going to leave this blank because we want to find leads across various types of organizations. And then we can enter one or more keywords. In this case, I'm going to use one single keyword. And keep in mind that the more keywords that you add, the more narrow your search is going to be. Let's go ahead and type in retail, and then we'll click on the next button. Now what the agent is doing is it's running a people search. It connects to databases and finds people that match this specific criteria. For each individual person, the agent will also check and verify that that person matches the keywords that you have set up. Once it starts running, you can also search for something else, but each time that this runs, it'll take anywhere from 5 to 7 minutes to complete running. Every time it runs, it pulls 100 new contacts to add into your CRM, and then pairs your contacts down based on your ICP criteria, and will only add the new leads that actually match the criteria. This might take a couple of minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and skip ahead to when this completes. Okay, so the run has just finished, and we can see here that we have this table of all of the leads that have been added to our HubSpot CRM. This includes information like their email, their full name, the company website, as well as their LinkedIn URLs. And we can even go into our HubSpot CRM and we can see that 61 new high quality leads have been added with contact information provided so that we can begin our sales cycle and reach out to these folks. Now, inside of the agent, you might want to continue searching through the list. You can see this is one of 59 pages. And all you need to do to continue searching is to click on the next button. This will ask if you'd like to find more people like this, and if you click on the yes button, it will begin finding the next page of leads and filtering through the next page of leads based off of your search criteria. Now, let's say that you want to start with a completely new search. You can do this very easily simply by tapping on the three dots at the top right and then clicking on New Run. This will allow you to have a completely new ICP for you to begin adding leads to. And even though I have another run going, that run is all going to happen in the background. So it'll continue adding those new leads, and I can begin searching for a new job title, for example, a marketing manager in a different location for a different company size and in the same industry perhaps. And we can continue running these different searches and continue adding leads to our CRM in this way. Now, if we want to go back to a previous search, all we need to do is click on those three dots and then click on Show History. This will open up a tab on the left-hand side that will highlight the previous searches. So for example, you can see here that we have this Sales Director, California, and I can always go back and see what's happening in that previous run. Now, in this case, it is still running, and so once this finishes running, I'll be able to go back and continue finding more leads for this search. So you can have multiple searches going at the same time. You can continue adding new leads within just a few minutes. You can get hundreds of leads into your HubSpot CRM, and you can go from 0 to hero when it comes to the leads that you're creating. That's it for this video. Hopefully you learned how easy it is to begin generating leads for your HubSpot CRM. It is an incredibly useful tool, and we can't wait to see how you use it. Thanks so much for watching, and if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to anyone on the MindStudio team or the HubSpot team for support.